Hello viewers, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel Blue Hand Drawing. Today we are going to draw few vegetable items. So first we are going to draw the potato. For this, let's outline the potato. So we are going to draw two potatoes here. The first one I am going to draw like this. Let's make the outline. All right. So this is the basic shape. Another potato we're going to see on the other side of the first one. That's why we have a partial view from this side. So this is the two basic outlines of the potato. Let's draw a few dots in the middle. These parts are the basic parts of the drawing. For these wrinkled parts, we understand that this one the potato. Each potato has this kind of wrinkled parts. It's like the small dots but little bit elaborate. The last one we put it here. As you know that the color of the potato is little yellowish color, so we're going to put the dark yellow shade to the border side of the potato and light yellow color towards the middle of the drawing. So that's why we're putting the dark yellow color to the border side of the potato, as you see here. The drawing is going on. Please follow all the steps as we are showing here. Do not skip any parts of the video. As you know, you can skip any other good recommendations or good tips maybe we're doing here. So each time we draw potato or any other drawing, the detailed description comes while we draw the vegetable items or the scenery or any other stuffs. So you see the dark shades here, it's like the mesh wire, and the middle points, the circle, those are empty. We are going to put the light yellow color at the end. Also we are going to draw this potato. We're drawing the outlines. And let's leave the middle place like this circle. The drawing is going on, and the potato we are putting the shades for each one of them. So you can see that each segment has the same types of color characteristics as you see here. Now we're going to put the light yellow color to the empty spaces as we leave earlier. So until now, this is the combination of two shades of yellow color. All right, the drawing is going on. Stay with our channel. If you like, please subscribe. Okay, so this is almost done for the color part. Now we can put little details with the pencils for the shades as we see from the light, like this. So one side would be darker and the other side would be lighter. As you see that this potato is going to be very nice as we put the shades in a more detailed fashion. We can see few shades in other parts too. All right. Let's put few shades here, because the other side we can see partially little bit more shades of the potato here. The shapes are bigger because of the obstacles of the lights in between two potatoes. That's why, it's all the natural phenomenon, natural stuffs. As we observe the pattern of the lights and shadow, we can observe the pattern of lights and shadow, and we can put it into our drawing so that the drawing looks more realistic. So as you put more time for the drawing becomes more realistic. We can also put shades in these parts. Alright, so you can see the pattern of the potato, little shades on the ground too. For drawing the ground, we can put the shades with other types of drawing tools. So now we can see that the potato is on the ground. If you like, you can elaborate little bit more shading with the pen sketch here. So the sketch is done by pen at the bottom part of the potato. Alright, things are getting nice as the drawing progress. So I hope you like the drawings. This is the basic drawings of potato. You can practice again and again to make the drawing more perfection. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. If you like, please subscribe the channel Blue Hand Drawing and stay tuned so that you don't miss any updates in future. Next parts we're going to draw more interesting stuffs, so stay with us. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.